Hi everyone. Today let's look at the problem 2-sum. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So if you see here, now we have a target 9. So now we have to find two indices which would add up towards this target value. So when I mean indices, we have to return the indices of the data points which would add up to the target sum. So as you can see here, 2 plus 7 will give us 9. And it is also mentioned that there will be only one valid pair in this array. So you will always get only one solution for this. And the moment you get the solution, you can return it. Now, if you see here, this can be done in an order of n squared manner, in a brute force way. So what we can do is we can take 2 and then search for all the elements here to see with which element we will get the sum 9. So assume that this was not 7, or maybe this was let's take 13 for example. 13 is not a good example, so maybe like it was 18. Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll take 2 and then we'll see whether 2 plus 7 gives 18 and so on. So then it will be like 2 plus 11, 2 plus 15. And then we'll come to 7 plus 11, so that will be 18. So then that means it's an order of n squared solution. There is a simple way to do this. If we can just use hashing to get the output in order of n. It's much easier to show in code. So let's take this example here. So if I maintain an unordered map, or basically a map which actually stores the data and its index. Now next what we can do is we can search in the map for an entry such that if 9 minus, there exists an element 9 minus 7 in the map, then that means there is a valid pair available, and we can just return the current index and the index stored in the map to the for the function. So let's code this up, and if you see here, this will be time complexity will be order of n, space complexity will be order of n. So let's just code this up. So this will be int nums map for auto I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size plus plus I. If nums map dot find nums of I minus target not equal to nums of dot n. So that means we would have hit this in this particular condition where we would have searched for 9 minus 7 or 7 minus 9. My bad, this should be the other way around. Target minus nums of I, okay, not equal to nums dot end. Then that means that there's a valid pair, and we could just return nums map of I comma target minus nums of I, that index and current index. Okay, otherwise we will just add nums of I and store its index in the map. This is a failure case which ideally shouldn't exist. Let's see, find a number. Oh, sorry. That's it for today. Thank you.